Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Today, this is late, but this is brand new to me. I'm going to be doing my very first Allure Beauty Box. I'm super excited for this. I do know what's in here because I've already seen plenty of videos on it, and that is why I ordered this box. It has been a little bit, so it might be a little bit of surprise when I go through it. There are some Sunday Riley things in here. I believe there's a Mally stick in here. Now, this was supposed to replace my AP magazine subscription, which, if you just watched my last video, I didn't cancel it in time, and I got a new one, and I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with that subscription. So, watch that other video and sound off and let me know what you guys think I should do. I think I should cancel it, but let's see what anybody says. But without further ado, this is January's beauty box. I should be getting February's pretty soon. Like I said, I'm new to this, so I'm not 100% sure how fast these come and if they come on time and all that good stuff. I just know they're really good boxes. So I wanted to jump aboard this and see if we could start getting some good products on our channel as well. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the box. It's been sitting here for like 4 days now, and I've been wanting to really get into this. All right, so this is what it looks like when you open it up. Very cute little booklet. It's pink. And then there's a red bag in there. Nice little red bag that has all the stuff in it. And this is a little, okay, so it tells you a little bit about each thing in here. And a price, so that's good. All right, so let's go ahead and go through our little, actually it's not little, it's pretty heavy, our big bag of products. This is a cute bag, although look, it already broke. That sucks, but it is a cute bag. But it is overpacked, so it broke, but that's okay. I'm not mad about it. All right, so I am going to pull out the first thing that I had already said I knew was in here, which is a Mally Evercolor Shadow Stick, which I used to use these all the time. These are actually really nice. I don't know if you guys have ever tried these or not. This is in the shade Brushed Bronze, which I already have a million of these. But it's always nice to get a newer one because mine are older. And that is so nice. And they really do, like, if you're in a hurry and you want to hurry up and put some makeup on real quick and go out the house, and you can just blend it out. And guys, it's really nice. If you guys haven't tried, even all of Mally's products are pretty nice. I really like her stuff. All right, so it says the bronze eyeshadow is as versatile as it is sexy. The color is smolder perfection and is more flattering than a lot of other bronzers because it has fewer red undertones and lots of eye brightening gold flakes. Use it to create bronze smoky eyes without a single brush. Just run the stick back and forth along your upper lash line a few times, then smudge the color up over your lid with a few taps of your ring finger. For a smokier look, fill in the entire lid and diffuse the color up through your crease. Either way, the creamy formula is easy to blend. You can also add a highlight to the center or outer corner of your lid by dabbing it over powder shadow. It looks great with rich browns. And the price of this is $25. These are not cheap. A lot of her makeup's pretty expensive, but it is worth it. I really like it. Maybe I can, like, I don't know, go through some of my stuff and show you what I do have of her stuff. We'll see. That would be a different day. All right, so let's go to the next thing. And I always butcher this name. I don't know if it's Douce. If you know how to say it, pronounce it down in the comments for me, because I'm not, everybody always says it different. Let's see. Where is that at? All right, so it is a Relentless Matte Lip Crayon in Winterberry. My shade is Winterberry, and I actually like a lot of these berries. And it says, there's just something that's so sexy and cozy about putting on a dark berry red lip color in the winter. I love the deep saturated shade of this matte crayon. The color glides on smoothly, and I can use the pencil's precise pointed tip to define my Cupid's bow, says Madison Theobald, I don't know. Tilt your head back to the line at the very bottom of your lower lip, too, and your lips will appear fuller. For more subtle look, I will dab the crayon onto the center of my lips, then use fingertips to blend the creamy formula out to the edges. It'll give you a stained popsicle lip that's easy to wear and super chic. It was all over the spring 2019 runways, and the price of this is $22. I do have like their eyeshadows and stuff that I had gotten from Ipsy, and you know, I've gotten quite a few of their products, so I do like their products. I don't know that I have one of their lip crayons, and it is not a twist up. You'd have to sharpen it. That's what it looks like. And let's do a little swatch. Oh, it is very, very creamy, and it is very, very red. But I probably would wear that. I'm going to give it a shot. Good product. You know, this box I think is like $12, and so far we've already gotten a $25 Mally thing, and this was $22, so I'm so glad I hopped on this train. All right, so the next thing is one that this is pretty much what I ordered the box for. So this is CEO Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil by Sunday Riley. And this is a really nice sample size. Like, this is awesome. All right, so this says, face oils are excellent winter skin saviors, and this brand new one from Sunday Riley is especially good at turning my dull, dry skin dewy. It's got vitamin C to brighten, evening primrose oil to hydrate, and a fast-absorbing texture. I have combination skin with a touch of sensitivity. This oil gives my cheeks a glow and doesn't clog my T-zone. It's light enough that I can layer it over my retinol and moisturizer. Putting oil on last seals everything in and keeps my skin hydrated so the retinol doesn't dry me out. Now this is, it says price $80. I think that's for the full size, so I'm not sure how much this is. But that, you're getting a lot in here. This is 0.5 fluid ounces. It doesn't smell great. I'm not even gonna lie, it doesn't smell good. But oh, it's nice. It definitely, I don't think you can see. Oh, you can see the oil. Definitely doesn't smell great. But it rubs in really nice. Really, it is really moisturizing. I can't wait to use this stuff. This is what I got the box for. All right, so moving on. So the next item I'm pulling out, and I don't mind getting these in boxes, and I need to redo my nails as it is anyway, so this will probably be the color I go ahead and put on. So this, and I've never heard of this brand, so this will be good to try out a new brand that I've never heard of. Where are you at? Do you not have a place in the book? It doesn't have a place in the book. So I don't have a price on it. And I don't know, it just says NCLA Los Angeles, call my agent is the color. So normal size lipstick, normal size nail polish, we'll give that a shot. All right, moving on. Oh, Amica, not sure. Again, everybody pronounces it different, so I'm not 100% sure. I have had this. I actually still have some in my bathroom. I love this stuff. I love their whole line. It smells so good, and it works so good. So this is the Soul Food Nourishing Mask. I believe we got this in our Birch box. I want to say Birch box. And it wasn't this big. It was like less than half of this. It was so small. So it says this hair mask is light, so it's easy to spread, but it's loaded with hydrating ingredients like jojoba seed and you guys know I can't pronounce anything. Panthenol and sea buckthorn seed oil. You're supposed to leave it on for 5 to 7 minutes, but I only had 2, and so it left my hair really soft, says Sophia Panchik, Allure's Deputy Digital Beauty Director. And for a woman who bleaches her hair several times a year. So a lot of us I used to have really fashion colored hair, so my hair has seen its bleach days. I can see my son stealing this. Every mask I get, he comes in and steals. I'm gonna have to hide this. And then it says, after I blow dried my hair, it was noticeably smoother and less frizzy, and really like the smell. Floral, but not overly so. A lot of other floral hair masks smell cheesy. This is $28 for the full price. It is sealed. I already know it. I love this stuff. I'm so glad that can you see why I bought this box? I hope they're all like this. I mean, you always get so excited when you buy a first box and it's brand new. But guys, this is amazing how much stuff was in this box. And it's definitely under $15. I'll have to look it up. But this smells so good and it's so thick, nice and full. Definitely you guys have to give that a try. One of my favorite hair masks other than the It's a 10. Favorite. Love this stuff. Actually, this might even outdo my It's a 10. So, all right. So it looks like we have 2 things left. And this one, I just received a product, the leave-in conditioner in my Boxy Charm, I think. And this is Way. So you can see it's not full all the way. Oh, that's why. They were supposed to send me the blue. I guess it's where you can either get one or the other. I'm sorry, I just jumped completely. But I was looking at my thing, and you could either get, I guess, the beauty blender, or you could get the nail polish. And I got the nail polish, which kind of stinks because I really wanted that beauty blender. They're the micro mini ones. But whatever, I like that color nail polish anyway, so I'm not salty at all. All right, anyway, so back to the Way. This is Hair and Skin Way Scalp and Body Scrub. And you do get a decent amount. The idea of using the same scrub for your body and scalp is novel, but actually makes a lot of sense. This one works well everywhere because it buffs with sugar, one of the gentlest exfoliants around. It made my legs less ashy. And gets product buildup off my scalp. So this is a full price of $38. And I love their products. This is like my 3rd Way product, I think. Oh, it smells good too. All their products smell good. I don't know if you can see the grittiness. It is kind of runny. So if I tilt it all the way, it's going to start falling. But you can definitely see the grittiness to it. I did just buy and it does have a little seal thingy. I bought a Dove body scrub, and I really like that. It smells really good. But we'll see how this... I really like these guys' products. I have their... my hair's still wet a little bit, but I have the leave-in in it right now from this. And it's really nice. All right, so the last product in this box, I know this is a long video, but there's a lot of products in here, is one more Sunday Riley thing. And awesome. I believe this is a new product of theirs. This is Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. Says presenting another new Sunday Riley product. This one is lightweight retinol for smooth lines and brightening complexions. And then they go on to say, I've been using it for about a month and my skin tone is definitely clearer. And it just tells you a little bit about it. This regular price full size is $85. I know my camera's all shaky today. I'm sorry. And then you get 0.27 fluid ounces in here. Does it say? It says apply at night to cleanse skin. So I don't want to waste a little bit. We all know what the skins look like, so I'm not really going to waste a little bit just to show you what it looks like. Super, super happy about this, guys. This might be my new favorite box. We'll see what comes next month. I heard they come close to like the ends of the month. I could be wrong. I don't know. If you guys get this box, let me know. But I've heard a lot of people say that they didn't get their box till close to the end of the month. But, you know, I just started, so I'm happy. I got this one, and hopefully it'll turn around now, and this week I'll get my other box. So I can't complain. Definitely can't complain for what was in this box. I am super excited to see what this box brings us every month, and probably gonna cancel my AP magazine one so that I can continue to get it, because I do get a lot of boxes and they do add up price wise. So anyway, guys, I am going to head to work. I wanted to get through these boxes so I could show you. And I should be having, like I said, my other Allure box coming in this week. So I will see you again probably this week. Anyway, leave a comment, a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it so much. You have no idea. You guys are helping my channel grow, and I love you for that. How do you do it? I know I'm cheesy. Love you for that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thumbs up. See you next time. Have a fantastic day, guys. Bye.